Good morning, everyone. I'm here, early morning report from the stash bag. Yesterday I went back to Hotel Nacional before they closed and picked up the jar from La Habana, the San Cristobal de La Habana, Torreon. So here she is. We opened it last night just to make sure that all the contents were good and nothing was missing. And so I placed it here, and on this you could kind of see it, and I can protect the bottom. But pretty jar. It's got this rubber band that you remove, so then you could remove the ashtray. So the ashtray comes off, all right, and you have the jar that looks like that. The knob, this knob goes to the back of this jar. This is removable, so you could take this off and you could use the ashtray, or I would probably, for me anyways, I'll probably keep it connected or together. So I'll leave it just like that for now. And inside you have 25 Torreon cigars. It's got the humidification system. It's magnetic. Then you have the protector that keeps the cigars protected from too much moisture. And then, of course, you have the goods, which are the 25 Torreon cigars. One comes wrapped in paper. And then you have that beauty. So once I get back, this will go into my collection. This is day 3 of the Cuban cigar expedition. I am now at Hotel Nacional. Came here this morning. I brought a couple of fellow Americans out here to La Casa del Habano just to show them around. And from here I'm going to take off. The target for today is going to be La Casa del Habano on Quinta y 16, which is 15th or 5th Avenue and 16th Street, approximately, or that's the address given anyways on this map. So that's a good about 2+ miles from here. Is where they have most of these embassies. This one is the Moroccan embassy. Okay, just made it to the Casa del Habano here on 5th and 16th. And through these doors is the shop. So let's go ahead and check it out. This is inside the Casa del Habano on 5th and 16th. Lounge. And then they do have a private lounge, which I believe is reserved right now, so they'll let me in. And then they have a nice little bar. Inside the humidor, 5th and 16th. Lovely walk-in humidor. Partagas number 4, Series D. $173. Box of 25. I was able to find some Partagas Lusitanias. Partagas 25 short. $85 for a box of 25. Monte Cristo's Romeo y Julieta. Julieta number 1. $110. Cohibas, Robustos, which are not easy to come by. Probably one of the few stores that has 5 boxes left. 25 Robustos for $340. Prices coincide with what's on that list. I just left the Casa del Habano on 5th and 16th. Bought a couple of boxes, and I was thinking about maybe going to Habana, which there's another Casa del Habano there, but that's about 4 miles away, which I'm not going to do today. Plus, my stash bag is completely packed, weighing another 10 more pounds, and doing that distance, I'll probably do it tomorrow. But what I'm going to do now is head over to a restaurant which is a mile away from here called Rio Mar. It's supposed to be real nice. It's right on the river. So go check that place out. Okay, Friday afternoon, stopped here at a restaurant, Rio Mar, which translates to River Sea. It's where, I'm not sure what the name of the river is, but it comes into the ocean. So nice little area. It is cigar friendly, so of course I had to light up. Currently smoking a Robaina Famosos. I actually had the box signed by Don Carlos Robaina, so I had to try one. Just now enjoying a cold beer and a cigar before I head back to the Airbnb. For lunch I had some fish croquetas, which were delicious, and then I had the doral al Mediterraneo, which is the mahi-mahi or dolphin, and some mushrooms, I believe. So quite tasty, and highly recommended if you guys make it down here. Just left the restaurant, Rio Mar. I'm on my way back to the Airbnb, which is about 3.3 miles from here. But I'm gonna go ahead and stop by another Casa del Habano, which is on the way, which is at the Melia Cohiba Hotel. That's about 2.2 miles from here. This is the lobby of the Hotel Melia Cohiba. Very modern. And the Casa del Habano is upstairs. Let's go find it. This is inside the humidor at Hotel Melia Cohiba. Good selection. Very classy humidor. Cohiba medio siglo. $307, last box. Then they have a couple of boxes of siglo. I think these are 2. $15 each. Table 2. Good selection of Partagas, Salamones. Just left the Hotel Melia Cohiba and heading back to the Airbnb. So according to the map, it's about 1.8 miles. Walking down the Malecon still. I'm going to try to make it there in 20 minutes or so. Went out tonight to a restaurant called El Cocinero, which I walked by earlier this morning and checked it out. It's that building with the big stack pipe or brick chimney on it. It's very nice area and a very nice place. I'm gonna show you around so you can get to see what it looks like. So if you ever have a chance to come down, that place is called El Cocinero, the cook.